Hello, my name's Dave Lopez and I've been using this appliance for about 6 weeks. I'm extremely satisfied with it. I started out being a little skeptical because it didn't look like it was going to be very sturdy or do what it was supposed to. However, it's turned out to be one of the best things that's ever happened. I'm finally sleeping well. My wife's not complaining of my snoring. All around, extremely satisfied. I highly recommend it.